And what we want to do is we want to build up those skills that they already know and develop scaffolding. So for example, I see everybody shaking their eggs. You know, shake our eggs together. But can we shake them up really, really hard? All the way to the sun. Oh, I love how you're going on your tiptoes. Can we go on our tiptoes like Olivia? Really, really hard. Can we go all the way down, 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 down to our toes? I see you're tapping your eggs. Can we tap our eggs? Can we tap them on our knees? Can we tap them on our knees? Where else can we tap those eggs? Can we tap them on our head? No? Really gently on our head? Can you tap them on your head really gently? Oh, he's doing it on his elbow. Let's do it on your elbow. Nice. Can we roll our eggs? Can we roll our eggs? Can we roll them up high? Really, really high? Can we roll them down really, 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 really low? Good. Nice. Done, everyone. Okay, I think we're ready for our song. And Mommy, perfect time for you to really explore with your child and challenge them to use their eggs in different ways. Okay, most importantly, let's have a lot of fun.